Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Fingerprint Unlock on your SAMSUNG Galaxy S25 Plus. First, let's open Settings on our smartphone. Then in Settings, navigate to Safety, Security and Privacy menu. Open it, and then go to Screen Lock and Biometrics. Enter the password, then select Fingerprints. Tap Continue, and now before we start registering the fingerprints, I highly recommend wiping the surface of your device's screen with the microfiber cloth or just a dry towel if you don't have microfiber cloth around, to make sure that it's clean and smooth and that it reads our fingerprint correctly. After that, tap register, but there is one big notice I have for you. If you use a screen protector on your smartphone, then either make sure that it's an original one, or if it's not an original one, then be aware that Samsung ultrasound screen recognition system may not work with some screen protectors, as they will not let the ultrasound come through, and therefore you will not be able to register your fingerprint. So if you cannot register your fingerprint due to the screen protector, I highly recommend replacing it with the original one and then registering your fingerprint once again. So let's tap register, and basically what we have to do is put our fingerprint, put the finger on that we want to use to unlock the phone on a inside a circle, and lift it whenever this circle is fully highlighted, and then press the circle once again until this bar reaches 100% basically. So now let's keep pressing the fingerprint image and make sure that your finger fits entirely into the fingertip fits entirely into the circle. And once it reaches 100, you can either add another fingerprint by tapping add or tap down and finish the process. Here we have some additional settings for fingerprint. So the fingerprint unlock is the main function we'll use our fingerprint for. If you don't want fingerprint to be always on your screen, you can switch this feature off. And if you don't want to see animations, just switch this one off too. Now let's try to unlock our device. And as you can see, everything works perfectly. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.